Hey guys, it's Joe and Gohan from Profitwolf, and in this video I'm gonna show you exact products that you can buy and resell on Amazon to make 100, 200, even 500 or even 1,000 euros of net profit, that is after paying for VAT on Amazon. And stay until the end of the video because, as I said, I'm going to show you the exact products that you need to buy. But more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how to find those products. I'm going to show you the method that I use and you can use and repeat to find those products consistently every single day. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the method is called retail arbitrage or online arbitrage. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to buy products from Amazon in one marketplace in Europe and sell the exact same product on another Amazon marketplace. And we're specifically going to look for products that are sold by Amazon on this marketplace and not sold by Amazon on another marketplace. Now, in general, when Amazon sells a product on one marketplace, it also sells it on another marketplace. That's the general rule. However, there's still thousands of products or hundreds of thousands of products that Amazon is selling on one marketplace and that for a reason or another, they're not selling on another marketplace. So in this example, I'll show you how to do this between Germany and France, but you can do it with any marketplace. You could do this between Germany and the UK, or Spain and Italy, or Italy and the UK. Any type of combination works as long as it's in Europe. Now, I know England is not in Europe anymore, but you get me. So let's start with Amazon Germany. And in order to speed up the process, I'm going to use Profitwolf. It's my online arbitrage tool, but you don't need to use any tool, okay? If you can do this manually, go for it, but it takes a lot longer. So in my case, I'm using Profitwolf, and first, I select my marketplace, the marketplace that I want to sell my products in, which is France. Then I select my supplier here, which is Germany. Okay, let me change the software to English. Okay, so then I select my supplier, which is Germany, and then, my supplier country, Germany, and then my supplier, which is Amazon. And then you select your category. So right now I'm using the test version of Profitwolf, and what you're going to see in the production version is that you'll have normal categories and then you'll have products only sold by Amazon. So this is very important. You need products that are sold by Amazon in Germany. So beauty, sold by Amazon. It's in French. I'll translate it to English in the prod version. And then you select scan, and you wait 1 or 2 hours. Now, I already did this work, so I'll just check the results. I like to rank them by rank, so I have the best selling products first. And here you have the price of the product in Germany, and here the price of the product in France. And here you have the keeper graph of the product in France as well. So now I don't want to sell products if Amazon is already selling them. So you see the keeper graph here. If you don't know what a keeper graph is, don't worry about it. Join the Facebook group and you'll learn all about it. So here, the keeper graph shows that Amazon is on this product, so I'm not interested. I just want products where Amazon is not on it in France. So Amazon is not on this product, but honestly, there's not a lot of sales, so I'm not gonna check this one. Look, this one. This is a great example because Amazon is not on this listing and there's consistent sales and the price is consistent. It actually is increasing. Now, we can buy this for $11.85 and sell it for $38. Now, I launched this scan yesterday, so maybe the price now is a bit different. So let's check. How much can we buy this product for? So we go to Amazon Germany and you see the price actually decreased. We can buy this for $9.99, sold by Amazon. Yeah, you see the price went from 11 to 9 something. And we can sell it in France for 38. Now, here on this listing, it shows 24 because you have to add delivery fees, shipping fees. So you see that the price is 24 plus 13.99, which is in total 38.45. and that's an FBM seller. So now imagine if you come in this product and you put it as an FBA seller, for sure you get the buy box, and you can even lower your price because you get enough margin. So in theory, we should buy 10 units of this product, but I think that there's probably less than 10. Yeah, when I checked yesterday, I could buy 10 units, but now I can only buy 3. So let's just go for 3. I'll go to my buyer's account. Okay, I select 3 units. And now the only thing I want to see here is the shipping fees. Now, whether you buy 3 items, 3 units or 10 units, the shipping cost will be the same because it's quite a small quantity anyway. It all fits in one box. So I'm only paying €6.46 per box. So here I said that I want to order 10 units. So if you order 10 units of this, it's going to cost $9.99 times 10. So that's 99.9 plus 646. So total 106 divided by 10. So in total, I'm going to pay $10.63 per unit. So let's go back to my Google Sheet where I put all my prices. So I can buy this product for $10.63, including VAT. So without VAT, don't forget you get the VAT back. I only pay $8.86. And now my resale price, honestly, I think can be $29.90. Why? Because $29.90, it's still a lot lower than this guy, because this guy is selling this for 24 plus 13.99. So he's selling it for 38 euros. So I'm selling it like 10 euros cheaper than him. Because honestly, I think come on, you're not going to sell this for, you don't want to sell this for, I feel bad for the person who's buying this for 38 euros. So I'm going to sell it for $29.90, and I'm going to make sales and more sales than this. So $29.90. The fee here is the percentage fee, and then I have to add the commission from FBA. I already added here, which is $5.16. The extra fee here is the cost of your prep center plus shipping to Amazon from your prep center. So here I'm going to say €1.50, which is a total of $9.63. So that's your profit. Now, after you pay VAT, you get a net profit of $6.41. It's really good because for every €8.86 that you risk, you get back €6.41. That's an ROI of 72%, which is enormous. It's really, really high in this business model. So if you buy 10 units of this, okay, 10 units, you get a total profit of 64. And I'm pretty confident that if I sell this product for $29.90, I will sell 10 units per month of this, because this already is selling about 10 units a month and it's selling at a very high price. So me coming in as an FBA seller and lowering the price, I'm going to sell this like crazy. So just with one little product that took me 15 minutes to find, I make a profit of 64 euros. So it's really, really good. Now you just repeat this process over and over again. And yeah, in 1 hour, you can end up with 10 products like this. And as I said, you can just stack these kind of products and you can make 200, 500, even 1,000 euros net profit if you want, just with this method. You don't need to be fancy. You don't need to be looking at different retailers or anything like that. You just use Amazon. So that's it, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to leave a like. And if you want to join the Facebook group, don't forget that you need to apply for it. So the link is in the description and in the comments. So just click on that link and then we'll ask you 2 or 3 questions and then we let you in the group. So have a great one. See you.